How to view your rating on Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view the reviews. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So these are the profile settings. Now on the top, you'll be able to see view profile. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you'll be able to make changes of your profile. Now on the top, you can see this ratings button. Simply tap on view as driver. So here these are the ratings that are available. So it's my new day or it's a new account, so there are no much ratings, but the drivers that you use of Lyft will be able to give you these ratings. So this will be on the basis of how you react and what type of customer you are. So you can go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.